to discover and the need to connect have become an integral part of our life. So for the first time when we came to Stockholm, we faced a lot of issues discovering new places.
Yeah, maybe it might be a restaurant or a pub where you want to buy a beer.
Or Asian stores.
Grocery shop where you are looking for offers. So the basic idea was to develop a location-based application which can understand your choices and then predict what you would like.
So the initial idea was to make a location-based app for normal users. But we soon found out that this information was also important for businesses. Hence we decided to bridge the customers and the businesses through our application.
So I think for the last 3 months we worked since the ideation to now we are developing our application.
Yes.
And then we found 2 developers from Singapore who are helping us to develop this platform. And I think we chose the lean way of startup, and every step we went out and talked to our customers and then changed our idea.
We tried really hard to find the kind of businesses that would benefit from mapin's location-based services. And as far as I remember, I think we interviewed around 12 different businesses of varying sizes.
Yes, actually after doing a deep research, we found that the small and medium-scale businesses benefit the most from our services.
Yeah.
And these businesses, most of them try the traditional marketing strategy, which we call the hope marketing.
Yeah, absolutely, hope marketing.
Yes, that's why we feel the need of making it more accurately. So we decided to give the power of web analytics to these small and medium-scale businesses.
Yeah, absolutely. And during the interviews, we also found that communicating the idea to the businesses was a barrier. We had a difficult time to explain the exact idea of our product to the businesses. So instead of explaining the product to the customers and businesses, we just try to understand their problems and then make them understood the benefits of mapin's solutions and services that could resolve their problems. And then it was quite easy, don't you think so?
Yes, I think so. Quite right.
Yeah.
Is the situation in the picture familiar to you? Haven't you found yourself in such a situation? You have, right? Of course, we all have, and rather often we face it. Just in case, if you have not yet figured out what we are talking about, this is about using our smartphone to find places. Imagine you are in a new city on a business trip, and after a tiring day, you search for a diner. You certainly don't want to spoil your time by ending up in a random restaurant. You wish if someone could recommend you exactly what you like and that matches your interests, don't you? So normally, what do you do in such a situation? You typically start by browsing the internet, surfing through a lot of different websites, and by reading and comparing tens of reviews and comments. Then you also check the location information of the place. But regardless of how much you read, your views can be different from the rest, and so you come back to the same point hoping someone could understand what you really like and what matches your interests. We introduce Mapin, the solution to this problem. We believe that you would find the things which you absolutely fall in love with. So when you don't know much about the place, we do the hard work to find what you need without compromising your privacy. We understand your choices much better and we predict them based on your previous likes. Think of us as Spotify for places. We integrate your favorite social networking platform so that you can share your amazing experience with your friends. Mapin helps you find places of your interests, brands you love, and events that you don't want to miss. It also gives you a chance to take advantage of those business owners who are dying to reach you and sell their amazing products and services. You'll receive their special offers so that you never miss any limited edition products from your favorite brand because their notification will reach you in real time. We bring to you what's best for you and what's near you and what interests you. But how would the businesses benefit by using Mapin? We help businesses to connect to a genuine customer. Mapin will enable businesses to adapt to the changing business environment by using our powerful web tool and analytics. Let's take an example of pub owner Alex in Kungsträdgården. He uses a Facebook page to get in touch with his regular customers and spreads the web's presence with menu of drinks and food. As he maintains a mailing list, he occasionally sends out emails to his customers. And lastly, he uses a traditional way of advertising, which is handing out flyers. However, the business environment may change, and to take advantage of this, he has to adapt intelligently. Just like a couple of weeks ago, there was a cherry blossom festival in Kungsträdgården, and the event attracted hordes of visitors on the street. The pub owner in such a situation can use mapin's marketer tools to reach visitors who are most likely looking out for a hangout place that evening. If he is registered in Mapin, he can observe in real time the number of visitors who are subscribed to different categories in that specific location. He can choose the closest category, that is pubs, and push the notification that includes a 2-hour extension to happy hours. Now he can observe the customers joining his offer and can also provide additional offers to the early bird customers. With such a strategy, he can attract more number of customers to his pub. Furthermore, he can optionally select a category like food and target them with a flat 10% discount. This was just a simple example of a pub. There are other small-scale businesses who can develop strategies and take advantage of this platform. We present you highlights from our customer surveys. This is what our potential customers face. Klad Cameron sells clothes and accessories for girls, but their focus is on XL and XS size clothing. They hold only one outlet for a period of time and then they relocate the store to a new place. They use a Facebook page to post their mobility information. We believe Mapin will help them communicate to regular customers more efficiently. And as they relocate every couple of months, they can use Mapin to reach out to more customers. Sushiyama is the most popular sushi restaurant in Sweden. The Sushiyama in Kista serves customers who are mostly people working in Kista and tourists living nearby. They can use Mapin to provide special offers well before the lunchtime to increase footfalls and advertise their new dishes on the day's special menu. Rituals. They are a chain store selling cosmetic products but only located in Sweden and the Netherlands. They have exclusive products. Mapin can be a great tool to distribute offers and limited edition products. Hope is not a marketing strategy, and we know it. This is why we are not only trying to improve the marketing but make it more accurate. Let's see how the whole Mapin system works. There is this digital marketer who wants to promote his product and services to reach more number of customers. He registers himself to the Mapin web tool. He creates well-targeted ads and identifies his customers in different segments based on his business needs, allowing him to run and monitor his campaign. Mapin enables him to communicate and change his campaign in real time. He uses analytics to measure the performance of his campaign. His ad and message belongs to a category that is a part of a map layer. These map layers are placed in the map store and users subscribe to the layers based on their interest and passion. Finally, the marketer's message is displayed on the user screen at the right time and in the right location. When the marketer uses Mapin's web tool, his messages use standard Mapin templates, but we offer our own APIs. This will allow developers to use their customized templates to create ads that stand out from others. Developers can use these APIs to build map layers that provide some sort of services to deliver content instead of advertisement. This will enable the marketers to create creative and more responsive interaction with prospective customers. Let's go back where we started from. Now he does not have to wander around different websites anymore. He just checks into the place he found using Mapin.
Through the duration of this course, I realized that I always speak like an engineer, which quite doesn't work. I mean, when you try to explain your idea, I realized that we should use less technical things. More technical details just make it more confusing when you are explaining it to someone new. That will be a really good lesson.
I would say the pitching techniques, the gotcha and aha moment in the class which was explained was a very ingenious way of attracting a venture capitalist to your product.
The thing we learned in this class was to quantify our result to back up our assumption. What we assume for our product sometimes is quite different from what our customer is expected for it. Thus, we need to survey and find the result to back up our assumption, which help us a lot to shape our ideas.
Be specific. This is one important resolution that I have experienced through the journey of mapin, and it has helped me to plan more specific goals and deliver results which are measurable.